Check this out. You need meat? No, you don't. Look at this. See how that works? Impossible. Impossible. See how that works? They tell you right to your face. Burger patties made from plants. And a whole case of it. Then you got this garbage. You will eat bugs and you will like it. Uncle Klaus said you'll get used to the goddamn taste. See how that works? This is not real. Or it's not really what you think it is. Made from what? And again, look at what is by every one of these factories. Just so happens to be a My Body, My Choice factory. See how that works? They're always attached. Look how gross. Look, the picture looks good, right? See how that works? Bigger than my thumb. You see how that works? Plenty of this garbage. Beyond Beef. Oh, my favorite. This one by Morningstar, which is the devil himself. The top of the 33 Mason sign. Morningstar. Who's that? Who's your Morningstar? See how that works? Incognito. Incognito. See how this works? Plant-based pure. Pure my ass. Non-GMO and soy, yeah. What's it made out of? This is the future. Because nobody said anything. See how that works? Is it? Hang on. I got somebody with me helping produce the show. Is this real meat or no? This is mixed in with it. Nope. See how that works? Sweet Earth. Oh my, we're in trouble, folks. Who's that? The Morningstar. See how that works? You got the star doing a little doohickey to the Satan or Baal or whoever you worship. These guys worship dark arts. Awesome grounds. Totally nasty. No, totally tasty. I'm sorry. Totally tasty. See how that works? Perfect for recipes. Baby-based protein. See how that works? Go to the camp. Go to the oh God, shit. You guys don't want to go to grocery stores if you see what I see. Oh my. Oh my. See the regular meats? Not there. Not so much. Even your fish sticks are gone. This store is called Omni, I think. Or not Omni. What do you call this? Meijer. Omni. I'm going way back in time. I'm going back to the wishful days when they had food in the stores. This ain't no joke. See how this works? Look at this. See how that works? Oh my God. There's no chicken at any stores I'm going to. Tyson was not lying. See how the Tyson goods? I tried to get ground chicken. They only had 3 pounds in the whole store for thousands of people a day. 3 pounds of ground chicken, that was it. See how that works? And they probably got it from a local chicken cutter or whatever you call those guys. Butchers. Hey, we're not in trouble. This is way after Thanksgiving, so I don't want to hear that garbage. This is because of Thanksgiving. That's your prepping too, frozen food, but see now, let me show you something behind it. That looks good, right? Until you move it. Nothing behind it. See how that works? See how that works? Oh my. Your chimichangas or whatever these things are. Just saying, today's like close to December 1st. We're not a third world country yet, but we're working on it. Stay on your knees. Don't complain. Obey. Roll your sleeves up. See how that works? Let's see how we're doing on canned goods, because I know there's a shortage of that. I'm sorry. Oh my, look at these empty shelves.
Lila, do you want crack cocoa?
See how this works? See how this works? Go ahead. How you doing?
Well, it's just like a regular, like there's either milk chocolate or
Just look at all the empty shelves. It's getting weird, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Oh my. Oh man. This is everywhere. I'm not doing. I don't say it. I don't put people on camera, but this is getting creepy, no?
I know.
a lot of people like it.
Probably sitting in the ocean on a,
That too. Oops.
California.
Right. It's scary, right?
Stuff that you haven't had for like.
And people aren't paying attention. Like when I show the videos of this, I think they see it's full. And then your cognitive mind, this looks normal to people now. Like that's not normal.
Yeah, that's not normal at all.
The meats are gone too. Like it's getting less.
And the prices.
The price is climbing. Like even the dollar store, they're going to $1.25, and my daughter's friends are like, "That's okay, because I think the products are better." No, you're telling yourself that they're not better. That means the price went up 25%. But now a 4-pack of cookies is now a 3-pack. So now that is down 20. That's 50%, right?
I know.
Simple. In the world I came from, 1 + 1 was 2.
Right.
Today they're telling you it's red. Like 1 + 1 is red, really, or an apple.
I know.
And I'm not crazy, right? This is looking weird.
They look, you know,
And the canned goods,
stock,
cans
like,
are
there's nothing in the back for
Right.
all the stock. The juices.
the juice, and then because I go to all the way from DeKalb to here, it's getting creepy. There's nothing after weeks. A lot of the processed meat, like what do you call those, Lunchables and stuff, they haven't been in for months. Like a couple stores will have it spottedly, but
Yeah.
I don't know.
Have you gone out to Woodman's yet?
Woodman's was pretty good, but they're running low too. But they're like certain meats and stuff, but they're the most stocked of any store I've been to.
They got four aisles of frozen pizza.
That's what I'm saying. They had a ton of pizza and nobody else has got them. Like, where are they getting theirs from?
22.
Right, I saw it. I was just there the other day. They're full. They were full of pizza.
You can get any kind of pizza you want.
And I was joking. The store manager was there, and I said, "This is how people prep.
Yeah.
They're getting frozen food. Like, what happens if the electric goes down?
Trying to push stuff
They're all getting microwave food. You see how that works?
I know.
They're like, what happens?
Yeah.
But they didn't know anybody. Like when I was growing up, my grandparents were in the Great Depression. They taught us some things. Like the young people today don't know anybody from that generation.
No.
I think that's part of the cognitive. Like they don't see that this has happened before. And the last time there was a food shortage as bad was World War II.
Probably.
That's a clue. Like,
Probably.
no, that's a fact. That was in the news even. The last, or not just food, but products. Like the thing with the ships we're talking about.
We got like water here all day.
They're real low too.
Like one per customer.
Right. There's. And
that whole thing was filled to the max this morning.
it was, so people are grabbing it, huh?
There wasn't room to fit anything, especially
Wow.
in the aisle where the single gallons are.
Right.
That was full all the way front to the back. It's almost halfway gone already.
People are waking up.
People, they don't buy one; they buy
They're getting
3
ready.
to 4.
Yeah, they're worried. They need to get filters, though. You got to be able to filter. I'm just saying something weird's happening, right? You have a great day, sir. Thanks for talking. That was somebody who works here, let's say. But he said all this water was spilled today. It's gone. Here, we'll look at this side. So this was filled all the way into the aisles. So you people are waking up. You're getting water at least, but you need filters. See how that works? But he said the canned food, the bottled, the fruit juices, there's none in the back either. Yeah.
I listen.
Do you? I just ran into a fan. Holy.
Yeah,
It's okay to record. I got.
Oh yeah, go ahead.
You know my voice.
I know your voice, of course. I've been
Oh
listening
my! I
for a
won't
long
put your face
time.
on camera, but
Okay,
your
thank
voice
you.
is on camera.
Okay,
just so you know.
great.
This
Oh, I
is funny.
love
I just talked to him. You know my voice.
Well,
No,
yeah,
my
you-
daughter's here. She's got to hear this. Oh my God! I've never.
Well, you know, I know you're in the area.
Right,
you
right.
know?
That's funny.
Yeah, and
Wow.
I'm in McHenry. Catherine Koneman, a long name.
Conan,
KK.
that
so,
name
yeah.
sounds familiar.
It's a long name, so.
Right, right. No,
I
I-
love your stuff, and I agree.
Thank
with
you. No, I see patterns, like I say, in my show.
Well, I've been watching those shows where you've been going to various places.
Right,
and-
right, recently,
And
right.
the COVID testing, you saw.
That was
you
creepy.
saw, you know, those roundabouts.
I got another video. Oh, I just videotaped. I'm gonna post it today. I went back there and drove through the roundabouts. It takes 10 minutes, and then some guy almost rear-ends me at 40 miles an hour. I'm up right there. I'm talking about driving while people are acting weird. And right after I did the video, I'm stopping for a car making a left, and he's not stopping. And I saw it in my mirror, and I drove off into the shoulder where it was construction, in between these barricades.
Yeah.
Like it was an instinct to go, and then sure enough, he slid right past the car in front of me, which means he would have went right through me.
Oh,
I'm like, this ether is, like I say,
Yes,
it's weird.
yeah.
It gives you like instinct, you know.
And I'm so
But-
glad, I learned from you about that Windy City site too. That's fascinating.
Did you see my radar video last night? It
No,
had
I-
words
I-
on it.
no, okay.
They had words that says stand by. They were zapping India yesterday. Last night, I just posted it. They were zapping India with this. I call it the portal to hell. I don't know what they're doing. I've been doing radar for 30 years. The pattern of it, the weather radar and
Yeah.
space radar. I'm like, this isn't normal.
No.
And then it says words. I see it flash, so I pause it. It's on the screen. You'll see. It's only 5 minutes. I did a short video. It says on there like standby radar on standby. Mod, MOD, like
Yeah.
I'm like that could mean Moderna too. Like
Yeah, it could
I'm
be,
like nervous,
you
like
never
what are
know.
they
It's
doing
like
with the Wi-Fi, right? Or I'm just saying, but there's something that's all on the 26 degree parallel, 23rd degree parallel.
Yes, yeah.
So Hawaii all the way across the
All
world,
around, all the areas.
all those are radar is like,
What's
are those
going on?
portals?
Yeah.
Like
It's
this could
really
be spiritual, right? I mean,
Yeah, it is. It's evil.
it's definitely it's evil. You can feel it, right? They don't see it.
They don't see it. And
They're
they
not
don't-
seeing it.
Oh, my sister says, why would they want to do that?
Oh, why? Because they're soul collecting. And
Yes, yes.
I just posted yesterday on my feed. I got to do a video on it. Germany now, in order they have euthanasia there. So if you're getting sick, but they already have it. It's legal,
Yeah,
right?
I
That's
know.
evil, right?
It's horrible.
You shouldn't take people's lives. But what?
But you have to get a shot to get.
Right? You saw that?
euthanized,
You know that?
Yes, I
You know that?
it.
I'm like, oh my God! I was freaked out. I'm like, you
Why?
have to get a shot to die.
Why?
That's pretty creepy, no? Like that's
Why?
soul harvesting.
Why?
That's
That
that's
is
soul
soul
harvesting. They're
harvesting,
taking
yeah,
your soul.
yeah.
On the
'Cause
contrary.
why would you even bother? Right?
Why would you care?
bother? Yeah.
Unless it's spiritual.
It is.
There's 8 billion people, so if you could take, if this were, let's say, weird things happening, you would soul collect the rest that you can
Oh yeah.
on your way out
On
to
your
piss
way
God
out.
off.
'Cause
See how
that
that
would
works?
matter. Otherwise
Oh,
it
God would
wouldn't
be
matter.
mad,
It
right?
wouldn't
If
matter,
you
yeah.
believe that, and,
Yeah.
or whatever the ether. I'm just saying,
Yeah.
you got to be careful how you talk because people get mad at you. But there's something weird going on, and you could, people
Well,
who
you
could
know,
feel
and all the
energy.
people taking the jab, but they claim to be anti-abortion, and there's fetal
But you
cells
can't.
in
They're
it.
being tricked.
They're,
I feel
they're
so
brainwashed.
bad.
I feel bad too because this is important. This
That's
is-
why I don't make fun of people.
No, no.
You may have been tricked, and I hope that God has a clearance for that because
You-
you're being.
you would hope so.
Because coercion, I was supposed that coercion.
Yeah.
If you force somebody to put something in their body, let's
Yes.
say, without their consent, and not consent, you can't consent if you're being tricked.
That's right. You can't.
So I think God would understand that. I hope.
You would think.
I
You would
believe
think.
that because there's no way all these people are going.
It's so unfair.
No,
It's
they're
it's-
being tricked.
They are being tricked, and I see that. It's like people, relatives and stuff. All they do is watch mainstream news.
Right, and they don't
you're
hear
not-
nothing. And when you
that-
show them the info, they just
they
turn
don't
their
care.
head.
It's like totally.
Like that's evil.
They're
There's something
brainwashed.
wrong.
They're
That's called
brainwashed.
menticide.
Yes, yeah,
That's a real
menticide,
disease.
yes.
That's real.
Menticide, yeah.
I keep posting that every week. I'm like, menticide's real. That's a
I
worldwide.
would run into because I see
This
you
is
do
crazy. I
beginning.
never
I
ran
go,
into a family. I've seen somebody
I'm a
look at
big
me at the
fan.
store once before, or whatever you call it. I don't know
Yeah.
what to call it. I'm like, this is so
Yeah.
cool.
Well, I recognize the voice and I recognize because you always
Right,
have
right.
the
I
little,
tried to.
you're
Yeah,
always
yeah.
in the thing. So
That's
you
just
know.
funny.
I think it's
so.
great. I
It's
love
so
it.
Thank you.
Yeah, God.
This is so awesome. I'm glad you're
Godspeed.
listening. Godspeed. Yes.
Godspeed,
Oh, you're
Godspeed,
awesome. Thank
Scott.
you. This is
You're
awesome.
awesome. You're
If I find my
awesome.
daughter, I'm gonna point her out to you. She's not gonna
Oh.
believe this. She's in the store with my grandkids.
Well, you know, you knew. You live in the area.
Yeah.
Okay,
she's
I'm
out
in
here.
McHenry. So
Good. I'll see you.
You'll
I'll be
see you
around.
around,
Send me
yeah.
a message on the YouTube.
Yeah, Godspeed.
Godspeed. Thank you. Oh, this is crazy.
We gotta stick together.
Thank you. This is the ether, by the way. The ether's weird. Oh my. Well, that's the first for me. Holy shit. I run into somebody recognizes my voice, and then when she sees me, she sees my face. Oh my. Peanut butter's a little light. I'm a little shocked right now. Oh fuck. This was so cool. It's cool, but it's not. I'm not being like. What do you call it? That was very nice. I feel honored. Somebody recognized. I knew that was going to happen eventually. One day it's going to be somebody who doesn't like my voice. Oh my! The coffee he told me is real light. Look at that. Oh boy. Cookies is still getting low. I just ran. Oh, look at the canned goods here. Sorry, I got to focus back. I'm not sorry. That was awesome. But by the way, that was awesome. Whatever. It's just weird. I've never had that happen. And then you don't know what the reaction's gonna be. Oh shit. Canned goods. You better get your tuna fishes. All your SpaghettiOs. See how the prep and stuff is all gone? SpaghettiOs. See how that works? Oh my! I ran into somebody who knows.